chat.
All right. There's a dead. How do I pull out? Where's my penis? Oh, never mind.
Oh,
Bleeding on both ears, cranial damage.
How do you
Jake just
throw?
walks behind
How do you
him,
throw?
beats him with a rock.
He's
Oh,
Stick.
gentlemen, I found a cave.
All right, we're living in it.
It's a sealed up cave.
We're living
Like
in it.
it's barricaded. We gotta break it.
We're getting in there.
I'm gonna get the fucking axe out instead.
Ooh, bouquet.
Oh, each individual piece of wood breaks if you strike it. Why can't we take the fucking Home Depot buckets?
Ah,
That'd
some
be
bats!
invaluable. I wouldn't go that far in there.
I hear the
We need
bats.
we need our boy here.
No. The bats are fapping in the dark.
Fapping bats.
It's fucking dark in here, man.
We're almost.
Oh,
I was
Ooh. Hell, that didn't want to follow.
what?
Give me the
what?
grenade! Give me the grenade! Oh, grenade!
Did you go down the stream or up that
Throw
little
it.
bone thing? Well, that answers that question. Thank you, spatial sounding. Just heard a
fuck.
fucking boom go off. I'm running to help.
I'm gonna wear your flesh. I found sustenance. Is that a fucking shark?
What? Where?
In the water!
I don't.
In the
I don't
corner
see
back
anything.
there.
And the corner back there. Hold on, I'm gonna throw a flare over there.
It's a big old shark. Lord mercy.
Like back left corner? Back
No,
right corner?
straight forward.
Why did I fucking
You just yeeted that thing, Chris.
let it on the raft?
Oh god.
Oh God!
Don't go
I
in the
saw it
water.
for a fraction
don't,
of a second.
Don't go in the water. Wait for it to get closer. No, the precious stick, you've thrown it.
That's okay. I'm just gonna keep throwing sticks at it
I shall wait for it to return.
because like throwing the spear is actually really nice because of that like drop indicator.
Come here! Oh!
You're in the water, Jake.
The stakes!
I think it's dead.
What?
It went belly up and it's going down.
Fish! Zach, why are you under the world?
I'm not. I'm in the water.
Chris?
Huh?
You see Zach's M?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's out in the ocean.
Ooh, starfish. Oh, shit.
Hey, fuck off.
I didn't know he'd throw him. But where?
How do we sleep in? What the fuck is that?
I'm coming.
Hold on. No, don't shoot.
Oh my. What the heck?
This is the woman.
Why she got so many legs and arms? What is that?
How do I put shit away?
Oh, she hopped. We need a fire.
We do. Here.
I was trying to get that, but they kept attacking me.
No, it's tree platform. The other mode, I think. Yeah. Forced fire.
Forest fire.
No, reinforced.
Oh, like forest fire. Where?
I'm getting it built now.
Zach knows what he's doing. He's a master of this kind of thing. That's a skull. Those are rocks. No, actually, they're the other rocks.
Scared the
There's
shit out
already
of
a
me.
body on it.
Oh my God. I, I was not expecting you to fucking just chuck a body on there immediately when my face was zoomed really far in.
We need like a log holder.
We need
Yeah,
like
or the
a
log
line.
sled.
Because they just keep fucking rolling
Where is he
everywhere.
taking those?
Well, I told him to put logs over there, but because they keep rolling away, he just gets logs, put them up there, and then they roll down for him to get again. Just stop, my man.
Fucking
Mm,
Sisyphus over there, pushing that fucking boulder for all eternity.
where do you want it?
Wait, and bone. Drying rack. Ooh, drying rack might be useful.
That'd be very useful. I got some meat I can dry right now. Oh, you can just chase rabbits down and melee them while you're sprinting.
Hey, did y'all drop legs and arms over here next to her?
No.
She brought us some then.
Savage.
Oh, she's feeding us.
I'm gonna cook them. What was that thing Chris Chan said? Where it was like, it was something with the internet, like I'll get it fixed or something like that or whatever. Like I'll fix it or something like that.
Oh yeah. Uh, I'm working on it.
I'm working on it. That was it.
If fucking Jen just did it in the voice in her office, just absentmindedly.
I'm working on it.
I'm working on it.
Oh, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. You need to
Don't
take
do it.
all this down.
Do you realize something? Let me tell you.
We could lose that condemned. I'm working on it.
I'm working on it. Get in here and do it. I can't fucking tell. Back there by those lily pads, dead straight ahead from us.
That is a squirrel,
It was in the water.
but that's a duck. I'm eating good tonight. Get me a duck.
There,
Yeah,
yeah, you
yeah, yeah.
fucking do it.
In Louisiana Bayou.
Them's just some Louisiana eating right there.
I'm eating another duck. Louisiana Bayou. Yeah.
I got squirrel meat.
Oh hell yeah.
The ducks just keep landing next to me. More duck. This is my fifth one.
The GPS beat really fast if you go over here somewhere. Where's it leading me to, boy?